you doing? We're here for the mystery salad subscription unveiling. So I got my package in the mail, and so now I'm gonna be just as surprised as you because I don't know what's inside this month, and this is gonna be for January, which is the first month of this year. So we're going to be opening it, and I have a little guest with me today. This is, who are you? What's your name?
Morgan.
You're Morgan? Okay.
Morgan Kennedy.
Morgan Kennedy. So we know her whole name now. So my daughter's going to be helping me unbox it. So again, we're going to be really surprised about what's in it. And I got my package actually yesterday, and which is so cool. I want you guys to see the little sticker on my little package. It says the Fab Clique on it, and it says sewing forever, housework whenever. I love it. I love it. Okay, so it did come with a little pre-made hole in it. So let's open it up and see what we got. Are you ready?
Yes.
You happy? You surprised? Are you gonna be surprised? Ooh. See what we got. Let's see what we got. Oh, so this looks like a rayon blend. And it has these cool little weave pattern in here. It's obviously a knit. It looks like it has good stretch this way. Probably about 30 to 40% this way. It's like a mocha color. Okay, do you like this?
Yes.
Yeah, this is really cool. It has a really cool texture for like maybe shirts or like a skirt. This is really nice, huh? Look at this color. You like this color? What color is this?
Brown. I like pink and yellow.
Oh, your favorite colors are pink and yellow. Okay, her favorite colors are pink and yellow.
White.
And then the next color, same fabric, is this nice kind of burnt, it looks like a burnt orange or like a burnt sienna. So I love it. I love the texture of this. If you can see it, I'm gonna kind of put it up. This looks like it's the front right here, and this looks like it's the back. The back is more, you could tell that this is the back. Right there. It's soft. It's pretty soft. But like I said, it looks like kind of like a rayon blend. A fabric polyester maybe.
It looks like a
good stretch this way. More stretch this way actually. Sideways to the squares, and then about 30 to 40% this way, probably like about 50% this way. So I love these colors. They're very neutral, which is great. I'm probably gonna make a bodysuit out of this because I think it would look really cute as a bodysuit. So that is the mystery fabric for January, and so you can go right online and you can sign up on the website, the Fab Clique website, for the solid subscription. So it's a mystery fabric every single month, and who doesn't like mysteries, correct? And also on the site, what we do is we ask for a couple of volunteers to sew every month the solid subscription, so it would be a secret you getting the fabric and also sewing it up into something beautiful, right? So why don't you try that? The Fab Clique definitely has, like, to me, I guess I'm a little bit biased, but the best knits and the best fabrics, definitely. So I love these colors. I'm about to sew something up real quick now with them.
Mommy.
Yes.
You like red.
Yeah, I do like red too. This is almost like a little, well, it's like orange, right?
Orange is Mom's favorite color.
Okay, so Happy New Year, everyone, and say goodbye, Morgan.
Bye. Bye, Bear.